back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing ravioli lasagna. It sounds a little bit weird, but I'll tell you what, the end product is out of this world. Well, we need to make up a bit of a sauce, so we're going to put a little glug of some olive oil into a saucepan, 2 small onions finely diced, right, really finely diced. That's going to go straight into our oil there, just like that, and we give that a bit of a stir, wait for them to sort of go a little bit translucent, as they say, right? And now I'm going to add in about 2, maybe 3 carrots, really finely diced. That can go straight in, and once again we're going to give that a good stir through all of that until they just start to soften up a little bit. Okay, pretty simple so far. This dish is easy. It's a great Sunday dish to do, and I'm now going to add in 1 kilo's worth of ground beef, ground Australian beef. We're going to put that into our pot, and I'm going to use freshly ground. I'm not going to use one that I previously have frozen. This is just makes things a little bit fluffier, and it will break down just that little bit easier. So give that a bit of a stir from time to time, and just brown off that beef as we're going, and the onion and the carrot. Okay, and as you can see, everything is nice and loose in the saucepan right now. Pretty simple stuff so far. Right, we're going to start seasoning up. We're going to use a bit of freshly ground black pepper. I'm going to leave the amount that you want up to you. I'm not going to say 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, just as much or little as you want. A little bit of salt. Okay, that can go straight in. I'll use probably around about 2 teaspoons worth of pepper and about 1 teaspoon's worth of salt. Right, that in this particular recipe. 2 400-gram cans of tomatoes that I've put through my little food processor to make up a really quick, easy passata, which is nice, fresh, healthy, and free of preservatives. Alright, we're going to put that in and give all of that a bit of a stir as well. Put that on a sort of medium heat at the moment, and we're also going to add in around about 4 cloves of garlic, right? That can go straight in as well, right? Freshly crushed garlic. You can use a garlic paste if you want. I'm not going to say no to that at all. 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate. That's going to go in, and it's going to give us a little bit of a richer type of tomato type flavor. All right, so we're just going to use that up, put that straight in, and once again give that a stir. I've actually turned my heat down a little bit now, and I'm going to give that a cover and turn it down and let that simmer away for about an hour and a half. Alright, hour and a half's gone by, and we can see we've got a really nice rich looking sauce. I'm going to add in a nice dash of mixed Italian herbs, just dried Italian herbs. You buy those from the supermarket, and we'll give that a cover and let that cook off for about another 45 minutes. It will get to a point where I'm going to crack that lid just like that and let some of the steam out and let that reduce down just a little bit and give that a nice rich flavor. Alright, we've got 2 375 grams of smooth ricotta. Yep, this time I'm just using the stuff from the tub. It's going to work absolutely perfectly for this one. We don't need to use fresh ricotta. We want the smooth ricotta for this particular dish. Put that into a bowl just like that. Pretty simple sort of stuff, as you can see. And I'm also going to add in around about half a cup's worth of freshly grated Parmesan or Pecorino cheese. I'll leave that up to you. Season that up with a bit of freshly ground black pepper. The Parmesan's going to add a really nice, or the Pecorino is going to add a really nice little bit of salt to this. We're going to add in a nice little dash of ground nutmeg. If you want to use the fresh nutmeg, go for it. It's and a little dash of salt as well. Alright, pretty simple so far. We're going to give all of that a really good mixy mix, just like that, and something really strange happens with the way I did this. I'm going to add in another ingredient here in a second. The ricotta is behaving normally as per usual, but I thought it just needed something, so I added in about a tablespoon's worth, maybe 2 tablespoons worth of sour cream, and that made my mixture go absolutely bananas. It ended up being incredibly fluffy and light. So I'm going to say yes, do that. I don't know what it is in the chemistry of these ones, but yeah, it does work. So again, give that a little bit of a stir. Alright, baking dish, give that a little bit of a spray oil on the bottom there, just like that, and we're going to add in our first layer. We're going to add in a little bit of our meat sauce, our bolognese type sauce. I'm going to put that down, just a nice thin layer, and that's going to prevent our pasta from sticking. Right, so if you haven't tried making lasagna before, this is a real easy one. We're going pretty simple. We're not making our own bechamel sauce or anything like that. Alright, so I've got here some 3 cheese ravioli. I've just bought those from the supermarket. Alright, you can make your own ravioli, and I've got plenty of ravioli recipes in the channel, of course. We're just going to put down a layer like that, and we're going to add in some of that amazing sour cream ricotta mixture that we have made. And as I said, it has really fluffed up. It's got really nice and light, and I was absolutely amazed at the way this one turned out. Okay, so we're going to put down a layer of our cheese on top of our 3 cheese ravioli, as if 3 cheeses weren't enough. Right, we're just going to put down that layer, and we're going to put down another layer of our meat, right, just like that. We don't need to separate these like we would normally do on a lasagna. We're just going to put the meat on top, and again go with some of the ravioli. I've used 2 packets of that ravioli, and you know, they're around about sort of 375 grams worth each. Right, again, we're going to just layer that up, put some that beautiful ricotta mixture over the top, give that a little bit of a spread out like that, and we're going to add in a little bit of cheese on top. Now, you would traditionally use some mozzarella. I'm just using a cheese blend that I like, and I'm going to put that straight over the top. Oven setting at 180 degrees Celsius, and all we have to really simply do now is put that into the oven. I'm going to leave that for around about 40 minutes to an hour, or until it looks something like that. And look at the bubblage around the edges. Put that down, let that sit for about 20 minutes because it's going to be extremely hot. Okay, we're going to put some freshly picked basil leaves over the top for presentation and flavor. Okay, and before you know it, you're going to have this amazing dish that you can serve up. Now, for the 2 of us, that lasted a good couple of days. For a family of 4, you will certainly get a filling meal out of this one. Alright, all we have to simply do now is once we put our basil down, is cut that up, and we can serve that up onto some plates, and you will have your very own ravioli lasagna just like that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there, and don't forget to leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn another new way of taking a European style dish and screwing it up and making it even better like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, off to eat this amazing ravioli lasagna, and I will catch you next time. Bye.